Hello everyone, welcome to Artistry and Lines. Today we will learn how to make a professional CV using Microsoft Word. So let's start. First, go to layout option and you have to select the size A4. After that, move towards orientation, select the margins option and then click on the narrow option. After the orientation of the page, now you have to insert a shape. Select the option shapes. After that, choose a triangle shape. Draw a triangle shape by moving the cursor. After that, you have to adjust the shape just like I am doing by the help of cursor. After adjusting the shape, now you have to fill the shape color. Here I am filling the shape color with brown color. Then select the option No Outline. After that, you have to insert another shape like this. Now press Ctrl C so the brown shape will be copied. After copying the shape, now you have to fill the copied shape color. Fill the shape color with light color, something like this. After that, select the light shape and bring it into front. Now you have to adjust the second shape just like I am doing, like this. After placing the shape, now you have to fill the shape color. Here I am filling it with orange color. Now you have to insert a rectangle shape on the page. Select the rectangle shape and insert it on the page. After placing the shape, now you have to fill the shape color. Here I am filling it with golden color. Now select this rectangle shape and send it to the back. Like this. After that, you have to adjust the shape by moving the cursor. After adjusting the rectangle shape, now you have to insert a circle shape just above this rectangle shape and you have to adjust it by moving the cursor. And after adjusting this shape, you have to fill the shape color with an image. Okay, so now you have to insert different text box on the page so that you will write your information inside these text box. Okay, so now in the text box, you have to write about the education of yourself. For example, I have written the education information of this lady. Change the font size and font style. First column, I have written the education of this lady, and in the second option, I have written the award or certificate this lady got. Similarly, you have to write about yourself in your CV. Now you have to change the text box shape color into no color. Like this. Change the all text box color After changing the color of the text box, now you have to insert another text box where you will write your name in a bold manner or highlighted manner. Select the name and then change the font style and font size like this. Now you have to insert multiple text box below your name where you will first give your brief intro on the first text box, and then on the next text box you will write about your occupation and work experience, and then you have to give your contact number. Place your information one by one like this. And after placing the all information, you have to insert an emoji beside your contacts. First, select the circle shape and then shape fill option. After that, you have to select the picture option, sorry. And after that, you have to insert an image of contacts. Okay, you have to insert total 3 emoji beside your information. First emoji will be of your contact number, and the second emoji will be of email ID, and the third emoji will be of your address or location. After placing all of the emojis, now do press Ctrl C on the triangle shape so that the shape will get copied. Now you have to place this shape at the corner of the page like this. Similarly, you have to again press Ctrl C and copy this triangle shape. After that, place this triangle shape at the corner of this side of the page like this, and after that select the shape, then select the sand to back option. After that, you have to select the option sand shape behind the text, so it will be appear like this. Now you have to change the color of this shape into brown color. And your professional CV is ready. That's it for today. I hope you guys really enjoy a lot. Follow up my channel for upcoming exciting videos. Stay tuned and don't forget to share it with your friends.